Okay, my apple pie came out of the oven. As you can see, it's spilled all over the place. So now I have to clean. Good thing I had aluminum foil at the bottom. But I have to clean my oven now before I start smoking in there. Anyway, it came out nice. Look, it's nice and crunchy. And so, yeah, I think I'm gonna love it. I don't know how it's gonna be inside, but we ain't gonna cut it until it cools down. So anyway, that's my apple pie. And I hope it's delicious, because when I tasted it, the thing about cooking it is I don't follow people's recipes. I just start cooking and I put some sugar, like a cup of sugar. I had like 7 big Granny Smith apples in there. So I put like a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I did not put the allspice. I'm sorry, it was cloves. I put 1/4 of cloves and a little bit of salt. I put some salt, brown sugar. I mixed the two sugars. You know, it was like I didn't have enough brown sugar. I wanted to put more brown sugar, but I didn't because I didn't have it. And so I had like half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of white sugar when I put. But I didn't even use the whole cup of sugar. I just had it all mixed. And so I mixed all my cinnamon in there and all, but I never finished the whole sugar. I had like maybe like a 1/4 cup left over. But it was sweet enough. But the lemon juice makes it like a little tart. That's how I like it. I don't like it just sweet. I want it a little tart. And so that's how I like it. And I just start mixing and tasting, you know, the apples as I'm cooking them. And if it's got the right flavor, well, then it's fine for me. And that's how I do it. And then the flour, well, it came out a little bit too juicy. I should have thrown some of that juice out, because the apples release juice when you put the sugar in it and the lemon juice and the salt. So all that releases juices from the apples. And thank God these apples weren't on the juicy side. They were kind of on the dry side. And they were fresh because we just bought them. So that's all I could say. And it took me 20, 30, I think I cooked it for 30 or 35 minutes at 400. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.